In my observation, in this new life situation, ang mundo'y nagpolusyon sa dami ng population. In this new generation, ang tao'y nag-adisyon. Kung minsan multiplication, di na magkasya sa subdivision. That's why we have discussion to make a good resolution. Give the people with instructions to maintain sanitation. That is a good protection in this beautiful nation. All I must keep them actions, cleanliness, beautification. So we have an election to elect of delegations to present our elections to attend every session. That is the obligations to promulgate the Constitution. Take good care of your position so that no graft and corruptions. Don't make violations in traffic rules, regulations. Drive your car good conditions, no reckless and obstructions. So that no connections in dangerous intersection. Avoid accidentation pagkat mahirap hospitalization. If you have some occasions na it is good for nutrition in our health communications. Maintain your jurisdictions at complete vegetations. Barangay organizations, I thank you. Congratulations. In this world of evaluations, everything has taxations. High price, no salvations, no discount, no deductions. Salary, no dimensions. For that family construction. Si Mr. nag-recreation, si Mrs. nag-consumption.
Batibay.
Ayos!
Batibay. Batibay si Logonyo.